Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by verifying prerequisites so the upgrade completes cleanly. First, confirm you run Windows 10 Home and whether your PC is 32 or 64-bit. This determines driver compatibility. Once done, back up personal files and set a system restore point so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have a genuine Windows 10 Pro key or digital license ready. Without it, the edition change won't activate, and that blocks some Pro features. You now perform the edition switch and let Windows handle file migration. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation and choose Change Product Key. Enter the Pro key exactly as issued. The system validates the key and starts converting Home to Pro. This process updates your license and enables new features while keeping apps and files intact. Make sure your laptop stays plugged in and don't force shutdown once Windows reboots. Follow any on-screen prompts to finish configuration. You're at the finish line. Verify activation and tidy up. Open activation settings to confirm Windows is activated as Pro, then install any optional Pro features you need and check Device Manager for driver warnings, updating drivers if necessary. If activation didn't succeed, run the activation troubleshooter or re-enter the key. Sometimes a short wait or signing into your Microsoft account linked to the digital license resolves it. If problems persist, note the error code and contact Microsoft support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.